Okay, so we've got two web pages now, but we have no way to really navigate between them. So we need some links. So that's what we're going to look at in this video. So let's pull up our little terminal guy here and let's go rake routes. And we only have two routes in this project so far. So we only have two routes showing up here, but this is where you go to get the prefix to create a link. And we need these to create a link. You'll see that in just a second here. So let's see. Let's go to our navbar section. There we go. And let's create an about me link. So right now, I'm just going to do this right here. We have, this is a classical HTML link. And Rails has a better method, sort of embedded Ruby links that allow us to create these dynamically. They're good for a lot of different things. So in the future, if we change our route, this link will update automatically if we use embedded Ruby to create it using a link tag. Otherwise, it won't. So very important to use embedded Ruby for this, and it's really cool. So let's create an embedded Ruby tag. And inside of here, we just go link underscore to. And then let's call this about me. And then we need to point it to some place. And that is where this comes in. So we want to point it to home underscore about. So we type in home underscore about underscore path. And that should do it. So save that. Come back here and hit reload, and we're probably going to get an, oh no, we forgot to forgot to take the old one out. So let's go ahead and just remove that. Oh wait, no, first we see this class, right? So we need to add a class. So let's just go class and then nav dash link. All right. Okay, so now we can get rid of this. All right, save that, come back, hit reload, boom, about me. So now, let's go back to our index page. If we click this, oh, the index page hadn't been updated. Let's reload. Okay, now there we go. So about me, boom, it goes to the about me page. Now we need a link for our main page. So how do we do that? So head back here to our nav bar, and up here at the top we have this other link. And we're just going to do the same thing. We're just going to go embedded Ruby link underscore to, and then we want to call this John Elder. And you can see sometimes I use single quotes and sometimes I use double quotes. It really doesn't matter here. You can use either. Let's see. Now we want the root path, right? So that's just root underscore path. And then finally, we want to give this a class of navbar-brand, which is just this thing right here. So, okay, we can get rid of this, save this, and hopefully we hit reload. And now if we click this, boom, it goes back to the home page, boom, about page, boom, home page. Awesome. So we've got some navigation. Oh, how about right here? Let's change this button. So let's go back to our index page. And right here, let's just do another embedded Ruby and link underscore to. What do we want to call this? Learn more about me. I don't know. And then we want home dash about dash path, and then we want to give it a class of, I'm just going to copy all this instead of typing it, because who likes to type? Nobody. Okay, so we can, all right, get rid of all that, save this, learn more about me, boom, about me, awesome. Pretty cool. So those are links, very, very easy. And like I said, it's just important, that we use these embedded Ruby. We can use regular HTML links if you want. But like I said, in the future, if we change this route in our routes file, this will update automatically because of these embedded Ruby stuff. So very important, especially if you have a website with hundreds or thousands of pages. You don't want to change links on all of them. This is better. So very cool. And we're coming right along. So I think in the next video, we're going to start to learn about Heroku and how to push all this newly created, amazing looking websites up to Heroku. It looks better than it did, right? Remember when we started out and it just said hello world up there? This is a definite improvement. It's still not a groundbreaking website, but that's not the purpose of this course. I'm not teaching you website design. I'm just teaching you how to install and get started with Ruby on Rails, which I think we're doing pretty good with. In the next video, we'll learn about Heroku. We'll start to set all that up.